Compress your videos 80% smaller.
Hi, and welcome to SOLIDBugs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress video files to a much smaller size using a completely free solution. Let's get started. When you're creating and editing your video, you have the opportunity to optimize your export settings. During the export process, you can adjust your video resolution, frame rate, bit rate, and codec to achieve the perfect balance between file size and quality. I created a video that was originally 67 megabytes in size. After downloading that same video from YouTube, I noticed something interesting. The file size had shrunk to just 9 megabytes, yet there was no noticeable quality loss whatsoever. So let me show you how to compress your video files for free. I'm going to use a free software that's trusted by countless software projects and has become the standard for many professional video editing tools. Go ahead and download it yourself. Once you've downloaded the file, simply unzip it. No installation required. Depending on your operating system, make sure you download the correct file for your platform. I'm using Windows, so I'll be downloading the Windows version. I've created a large test video file 3 GB in size so I can demonstrate the compression process and compare the results when using different parameters. I'm going to copy and paste the video file into the same directory where the ffmpeg executable resides. This will simplify the process and make it easier to work with the command line tools. As I mentioned, the video file is about 3 GB in size. Let's quickly preview the video to see what we're working with. To compress a video using ffmpeg, open a command terminal. Simply type cmd and press enter in the search bar, and the command prompt will appear. I'm going to rename the video file to single quotes input.mp4 to make things easier and more straightforward. The command I'll post in the video description will compress the videos slowly, but it will produce high-quality output. Press enter to execute the command. Depending on your computer's hardware specifications, the compression process may take some time, so please be patient while it completes. On my relatively low-end computer, the compression process took almost 13 minutes to finish. As you can see, the file size dropped dramatically from 3.2 GB down to 442 megabytes, quite an impressive reduction in size. If file size matters more to you than video quality, you can use a different preset which I'll also paste in the video description. With the very fast preset, the file size should be even smaller. The conversion took only about 5 minutes this time, reducing the file size down to just 121 megabytes from more than 3 gigabytes. I'm planning to make a video on how to compare two videos visually, so leave a comment below if you'd like to see that. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.